the depths of hell could have forged a diamond this special?
Alright, so we just got to our room. I'm at the Microtel in, oh goodness, what is the name of this city? Baldswinville, New York. So let's go ahead and check it out. The light switch. It's actually like a hole or a crack in there. Got some swelling on the ceiling. Oh man. Looks like some mold in the corners. That's alright. It's not a 5-star hotel. Yeah, so. Alright. So far so decent. Conditioning, shampoo. Face and body bar. And this is the room. I just threw my key down and I forgot. This is something. Oh, this reminded me of a place I stayed out in a different part of New York. Because I had the mirrors in front of each other. I'm like, oh, that's trippy. And not too shabby. They got truck parking here, which is always a plus. Always a plus. So. Alright. Wally. I don't know what that is. But yeah, so we'll see. We will see how good it feels to be in here. As you know, make sure there ain't nothing crawling on the bed. Everything looks freshly changed, as it should be. And yeah. Oh man, look at that. That's crazy. But yeah, it smells pretty clean in here. The lady did let me know that there wasn't going to be a microwave or a fridge in here, and I was like, I really don't care. I'm only staying for a night. So, alright, so I'll let you guys know. I know there is free breakfast from, I think she said from 6 to 9 or something like that. But we'll probably be out of here before then, so. Yeah. So I will see you guys a little bit later. So I'm about to be on my way out. Ended up using the restroom. And the dang toilet overflowed. It was nuts. It was crazy. So I had to go to the office, borrow a plunger. I even tried unclogging it with my hand. It was nuts. Like the water just kept flowing out. So I had to like turn off the water by hand. Then I like washed up. And then I had to put all these towels down because the water went everywhere. There's still water everywhere. I've said it before. I've said it a couple times. Those heat and AC units, the best. Kept me good all night. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start packing my own, like, comforter or something, because that, what's on the bed is clearly not enough, and I like to sleep. I like the room to be cold when I sleep, so it is what it is. The water temperature was how do I put it? It was like wishy-washy. So, like, sometimes it'd be hot, sometimes it'd be warm. And I was like, dang, I'm just trying to take a really hot shower, you know? I don't know what it is about certain parts of New York, but the water tastes like poison. So just be aware of that. The bed was really comfortable. I really enjoyed this nice little work area here. Because it just made it very convenient. There's an outlet down below on the right hand side. So I was able to set up my laptop here, start editing here. And then as well as there's an outlet there and an outlet there with 2 tables. So I was able to plug in my phone charger right there and plug in the drone equipment right there. TV was kind of annoying because I couldn't figure out how to get it to work. Like, I got it on and I fell asleep watching something, woke up listening to some guy preach about something, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna change the channel, and I couldn't get it to like change. I don't know, maybe if it's just the network that it's on or the cable box. But yeah, all in all, pretty good stay. It is for one night only. I tell you, not for nothing. There is on top of, let me see if I can show you real quick. On top of the shower curtain rod, there's a little notch there. And that notch is meant to hold those little rings. I can't tell you how many little hotels or motels that I've been in where those have been installed upside down and the shower curtain keeps opening. So that has always been kind of annoying, and I never got a chance to mention it to you guys. But yeah, these rooms need a little bit of work, but I think all in all, oh, another thing. The fire alarm went off last night at like 1 a.m. And I didn't know what it was because I'm like, well, my smoke detector, I thought it was a fire alarm / smoke detector, but it's not. Mine, I guess it's just a smoke detector and like carbon monoxide or whatever. 1 a.m, I got up, got dressed, peeked my head out the door. I saw people leaving. I was like, no. So I was like, you know what? Just to be sure, I put my sneakers on, went to the lobby, and the old dude got a smile on his face. He's like, no, it's okay. Everybody is fine. So I guess they have like a fire alarm in the back office or something, and someone accidentally hit it and like caused a false alarm. I don't know if the fire department ever showed up, but I just came back in, went back to bed because I was like, if there's a fire, I need to grab, or like screw the clothes, but I need to grab my laptop, my drone, and I could have just thrown all that in one of my bags and then, just headed out the door and just slept in the truck while the fire department figured out whatever they had to do. So that was nuts. Like everybody was like coming down the hallway, and it's like one of those tense moments where you make eye contact with people and no one's really sure what's going on. So once I noticed like people were leaving, I came back inside, just threw my sneakers on real quick, and then that's when I went to the lobby because I am one room away from the lobby, so I could literally I'm there in like seven steps. So and then that's when the guy told everybody like it was fine. So that was nuts. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I don't have an official title for this, but I guess you would call it like room reviews. I don't know. This is the best way I can put it. It looks super bright outside. I haven't opened it. Oh my god. Looked like we got some rain last night. But yeah, it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. I'm not sure if you guys can see all that, but they do have tractor trailer parking, so that was a major perk. Major perk. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And then thank you to all our Patreon supporters. You guys are truly fantastic.